What's up, y'all? It's me, Marcy the Badass Belief Flipper, here with a live cosmic energy update. Happy second new moon in Virgo. This one, a solar eclipse. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Again, I want to do an energy check-in. I don't know if y'all have been feeling this crazy, intense, shifty energy of the cosmos. I know I have. So again, perhaps this message is for you if you've been feeling it. This is what is known as the Great Reset to many astrologers. And there's 3 things you really got to know to manipulate, or I should say, navigate the energy for your own well-being. And I'll get to that in a second. The second new moon in Virgo also has an opposition to Saturn. All about rules and structures. I heard someone say Saturn has the clipboard and the whistle. So that's why you may be feeling it even more powerfully. It's so powerful that it has changed the lunar cycles. The second new moon in Virgo is the Great Reset. And the moon is energetically guiding the sun. So you may feel it deeply in your heart, your nervous system, your body. Again, I know I have, and many of my friends have as well. So the question is, what is being highlighted in all of this? Your emotional awareness. The moon is emotions. The moon is nurturing mother-like energy. So this is about your readiness to grow, to flow, and allow big change in a brand new way. The planets are doing things and creating energy that we've never felt on this planet ever before. The moon is bringing our attention to what she wants us to see and to feel. So our job is to allow it, feel it, and trust it. Get outside. If you don't already have a meditation practice in the morning, do some deep breathing for at least 3 to 5 minutes in the morning. Get tuned in, tapped in, turned on to who you really are, instead of focusing on the outer noise, which there is so much of. This energy is about our emotional truth, our authentic truth, allowing it to be seen, felt, and honored without pushing it away or resisting it, right? Diminishing it or hiding it altogether. We are being reminded, y'all, what this is really, really about. Total transparency, complete honesty with ourselves, with our intuitive wisdom, and tapping into that. The message of all this: allow it, feel it, and trust it. This is the Great Reset. Let's trust the unknown, divine intelligence, the universe, all that is, God, whatever you call it, and let it flow, baby. It's a knowing that everything is working out for us. And in this energy, it may feel like a destined new beginning, an extra powerful relationship change that is long overdue. You may even feel like you're being catapulted into the future. We're living in an incredible time right now, y'all. A badass, beautiful time on the planet. And if this resonates with you, then this message is for you. Allow it, feel it, and trust it. And know things are always working out for our best and highest good. There's truly a divine purpose for everything. Remind yourself of that if you're focusing on the chaos in the outer world. I got nothing but big badass love for you. Happy weekend. Happy second new moon in Virgo. Solar eclipse. Love yourself unconditionally so you can turn around and love everyone else the same way. I got nothing but big badass love for you. Peace. Love. Till next time. I'm out.